Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing another After Dark Clean With Me. This has always been one of your guys' very favorite videos that I share with you guys. So it is pitch black outside and I want to kind of get my house in order before going to bed so that I can wake up tomorrow and just feeling like I don't have something weighing on me tomorrow. So I figured I would go ahead and share that with you guys again tonight, but I'm going to take it really nice and slow, make the music really nice and relaxing for you guys because I want this cleaning motivation to not only motivate you, but also just kind of calm you and let you escape all the stresses that you are feeling right now. So without further ado, let's get to it. So I wanted to start out in our bedroom tonight because I felt that it would be super calming to kind of ease into cleaning. Plus I knew it wouldn't take me very long, but I have been trying to do some things more intentionally this year, and especially during this crazy time, just making sure to take care of myself while still getting things done. So I'm going to be sharing throughout this video some little things that help me feel more calm and just overall happier, and I would love to hear some little things that you do to bring you some peace and balance during this time.
And don't let me walk on broken water, and don't make me push it any further. Why do you wanna make it wrong? I'm trying to hold on, so please, yeah. And don't let me walk on broken water, and don't let us sink into the darkness. I wish I could read what's on your mind. You're stepping out of line, can't do no more. Gone are the days of forgiveness. You take so much more while you're giving less. I'm shaking my head while I'm counting down. I'm counting down, yeah. But I remember a time when our hearts burned. We held back the night and we owned the world. Can we find a way back? Find a way back. Can we find a way back? And don't let me walk on broken water. And don't make me push it any further. Why do you wanna make it wrong? I'm trying to hold on, so please, yeah. And don't let me walk on broken water. And don't let us sink into the darkness. I wish I could read what's on your mind. You're stepping out of line, can't you? I don't know what to do. I'm tired of getting up.
I'm all done cleaning in my bedroom and I got this clothes put away. I do have a good bit more cleaning to do, but before we go out there and get that done, I wanted to talk to you guys about a product that I have been loving. A few months back, Clean had reached out to me to see if I would like to try their facial brush, and almost immediately, like within the first week, I felt like I was just feeling such a big difference in my skin. I feel like it was just so much smoother. It just felt a lot cleaner. I was definitely breaking out a lot less. And so I have been so excited about this product. And I am so excited to be finally partnering with Clean on today's video because I not only get to talk about this product that I have been loving, that I feel like has been kind of a game changer for my skin, but I'm also going to be able to share a really awesome coupon code for my subscribers. So let's take a minute and I'll kind of go over like how it works and everything and my experience with it. But if you have any questions about it, feel free to comment down below and I will definitely get back to you guys. All right, so first I am just going to pull my hair back and then I'll end up taking all my makeup off and then I will start washing my face and kind of show you how it works. Why does this happen? All right, now that my makeup is all taken off, I will just add my cleanser right onto the top of the brush, dampen the brush head. So like I said, this is the exfoliator brush, and so this is the one that I will use about once a week, but usually like every morning and night, I will just use the daily care brush. And then you just push the button and turn it on. So Clean stands for the art of clean, which I think is super cool, but their Orbital facial brush has so many features that I love. Like it has a built-in timer, so the timer will run for about 1 minute, but then it also has 20-second timers during that minute, just letting you know when to move on to the next part of your face. And it's also waterproof, so I actually use mine in the shower daily, which just makes it super convenient. But one of the best features of the facial brush is that the charging base actually dries your brush head while killing the bacteria left on your brush. The way it works is when you place your brush onto the base, base, Clean has a 360-degree halo that uses UVC rays to kill 99.9% of bacteria, and then the built-in dryer wicks away any moisture so that no germs grow. And that is huge because when you wash your face and then you set your brush down overnight or as you go about your day, it just harbors all of that bacteria, and then you go to put it back on your face and scrub around your pores, which will just cause more breakouts. So the fact that the Clean facial brush kills bacteria is incredible, and I just love this little brush so much. And as I had mentioned, they are offering y'all 62% off of their facial brush along with anything else on their website. So I will have a link and coupon code listed down below so that you can take advantage of this amazing offer. This brush is amazing, but especially with a steel, you definitely do not want to miss out on this. You guys will love it. And thank you Clean for the coupon code and for partnering with me on this video. But now let's go ahead and get back to cleaning.
When it seems like you have lost control and you feel like you're alone, when you lost something.
Alright, moving into the living room, I started by closing our blinds and just taking things nice and slow. So along with doing some self-care like I just shared with y'all, another thing that I have been doing for myself is just taking things a little bit slower. Trying to kind of enjoy the things that I have to do, like cleaning and cooking. I figure that I have to do my chores regardless, but I can either rush through them as if they are something bad, or I can take it a little bit slower and just let myself enjoy it and kind of take that time to reflect on my day, my blessings, and even find some things that I could be grateful for while doing that chore. So I've been practicing this a lot over the last few weeks especially, and in doing this I have found myself a lot more grateful, but I'm also feeling like these chores are feeling a lot less like work and allowing me to find more joy in them. I feel like mindset makes such a huge difference, so I challenge you this week to take your chores a little bit slower and just find what you can be grateful for while doing them. Homemaking can absolutely feel mundane and repetitive, but honestly so can almost everything, and it's our job and our duty to ourselves to allow ourselves to enjoy it. So I just think it's our life, let's make it amazing.
How do you get up when your body's saying no? You've broken all that you have left. How do you take back what you've lost? All I need is another chance to get back up and make amends, yeah. Gotta let me try. All I need is another chance, this time will be different. Gotta let me try. You got to let me try. Leave the skyline, heading back to old times. Like the pipe up to feel like I'm doing fine. Chase the space with whatever I'm chasing, anything to leave my head where the mistakes feel like a blessing, and my mind is clear of the mess I'm in. Chase the space with whatever I'm chasing, anything to leave my head. It feels like I'm just running away every day. Heading back to old times with things I did anyway to leave my head.
One thing that I do every single night is load and run our dishwasher and clean all of our dishes, and I will also take this time if I'm alone to listen to a podcast or an audiobook. It's just the time that I can do that in peace and I love it. But if you have any favorites that you recommend, I would love to hear any suggestions you have.
Time flies, close your eyes, imagine you could see everybody else's dream, what a comfort it would be. All along, standing strong, the way it ought to be. But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. We're only human after all. Nothing could make us fall apart. I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human always looked after me, brother. When we were children, you always had my back. You took all the blame when our father caught us doing things that drove him mad. Through the years
Alright, so everything is all nice and clean, but I need to do the floors. I am not gonna mop tonight. A lot of nights I won't mop. It just depends on like if they need it, and I think they're okay, but they definitely need to get swept or vacuumed. But I think I'm just gonna sweep tonight, and then I think I'm about done with like what I like need to do tonight. But I'm planning on actually heading up to my office and going through some of the decor that I have and just seeing like what I want to keep, what I need to pack away for another time, and so on. And I'm thinking that I might end up doing a giveaway over on my vlog channel soon for that. I've kind of talked to you guys about that in the past, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm just gonna like kind of sort things out, because you can't see it now, my office is wrecked with decor right now.
but I broke too many promises and we split.
Once our main living area was nice and picked up, I needed to sweep our floors because that is definitely a daily thing, just taking care of our floors every day. But I found myself choosing to sweep at night as opposed to vacuuming. Again, I feel like it's just a way to kind of slow down and feel more peace and relaxation. And I feel like this is kind of random, but since I'm always getting questions about my slippers, I usually get them from Amazon or Kohl's, and I have several different brands, but my two favorites are Deer Foams and Mukluk. But I just got into slippers a few years ago, and they're such a small thing, but there's something that make me feel so happy and cozy.
I wanna say that I'm sorry, I got sidetracked and I left you in the cold.
So I just went through and swept the whole main living area. I actually swept, or not swept, I vacuumed one other time today, so like this is already really bad, but I'm gonna show you the pile, and then I'm also gonna show you our central vacuum system, because every single time I show this in a video, I've mentioned it several times, but every single time I show it, I still get like a ton of questions from you guys, so I just want to kind of talk about it and tell you guys like what it is. All right, here is my pile, and like I said, I already vacuumed once today, and this is just, I guess, either what I missed, because it was kind of a quicker vacuum, or what has accumulated since then. And then back behind our trash can, and this is our recycling can, we have this little thing. It's called a central vacuum system, and it actually goes into like some pipes or whatever you want to call them, and it sucks everything into a canister in our garage. So I am just going to sweep this up into there. My teeth, and we are headed up to my office, and I will show you the tornado of decor that has hit it. It's a mess in there. This is how my office looks right now. My desk is a mess. Underneath my desk is a mess, and all around my desk is a mess. So some of these things have been here for a while, just kind of like waiting for me to get to them, because I have different projects coming up. But I need to pull everything out and just kind of go through everything that I have and see what I'm planning on keeping and what I would like to donate.
know you think about every time I'm out. And
So I've shared this in the past, but there was a time in my life when I had zero home decor, and it was always something that I really loved, but I didn't have any of it. So I would always look at my friends' homes and just wish that I could decorate my own home one day. So now after all these years, I feel so grateful to have the opportunity to decorate my home and be able to share it with y'all. But I am always looking for ways to give back and just share the blessings that I have now, because like I said, at points in my life, I know what it's like to go without, and it just brings me so much joy to be able to give back to you guys. So be on the lookout for that giveaway on my vlog channel filled with all of my home decor, and I will probably also throw some other things in there just because that's what I tend to do. But I also have a few other giveaways in the works, so just stay tuned for that on my vlog channel and also on this channel. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it brought you some peace and relaxation today. Also, don't forget to go check out the Towel Clean Orbital facial brush and use my link and code to get it for 62% off right now. This brush is seriously amazing, and I am just kind of realizing this year how necessary self-care is. You won't find another one like this that's such high quality, keeps bacteria at bay, and also gives you that clear glowing skin. I know that you will love it as much as I do, and you cannot beat the deal that they are offering right now. So be sure to go down and check that out in my description box. But I hope you guys have an amazing day or night whenever you are watching this, and don't forget to subscribe down below if you are not already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.